Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your homeowner's insurance with Farmers easy tutorial step by step clearly. To protect your homeowner's insurance with Farmers, start by gathering your policy documents. Review your current coverage details to understand what is already included. Identify any potential gaps in your coverage. Determine any changes in your property or circumstances that might affect your insurance needs. Visit the Farmers Insurance website or open their mobile app. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the Homeowners Insurance section. Click on Policy Management to view your current policy. Find the option to request updates or adjustments to your coverage. Consider adding additional endorsements for valuables such as jewelry or art. Examine available deductibles and see if adjusting them can better suit your financial situation. If you have made home improvements, document these changes with photos. Contact your Farmers agent directly for personalized advice on your coverage. Discuss any losses or risks specific to your location that may require additional coverage. Inquire about discounts that may apply based on security features or membership affiliations. Ensure that your liability coverage reflects your current lifestyle and assets. Review your policy regularly to keep it updated and relevant. Save all correspondence and documents related to your insurance policy. Assess your coverage annually to ensure it meets your evolving needs. Following these steps will help secure your homeowner's insurance with Farmers effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.